Like fun activity or to be consistent with it, you need to have a look on these easy peasy journaling prompts or ideas. Hey everyone, it's Gagan here and you all are welcome at Inside Diggers. Well, today's video is going to be about journaling prompts, or you can say journaling ideas for beginners. To be honest, I had been thinking to start journaling for quite a long time, but I wasn't having proper time, or you can say the proper format to begin with, because I started it few years back. I couldn't keep it going for more than couple of days. At that time I was pretty new to this concept. Maybe that is the reason I couldn't keep it longer, because I didn't invent something of my own, but I was pretty sure that I will do it in my way, though a little late. For me, journaling is like quick and relaxing activity or exercise, whatever you want to call it, which makes you feel light and calm. Let me make it more clear with an example. Suppose I have 15 minutes free at any time of the day and I want to devote these 15 minutes to journaling, and I have to write down 30 things for which I feel grateful, and I think these 15 minutes will be vanished by the time I will figure out what are these 30 things. This is not the right format for the beginners, because I don't think they will be able to recall or figure out these things so quickly and move to next question. In that way, this is more time consuming and most of the people avoid doing it. To make it more like fun activity or to be consistent with it, you need to have a look on these easy peasy journaling prompts or ideas. First is, write down 3 things you feel grateful for. It could be anything, like waking up in one piece, unhurt, unharmed and uninjured, of course, and seeing your family members in good health, and having a car or any vehicle to commute. Next is, write down 2 talents or skills you have. It could be like you are good at dancing, you are good at painting, you are good at singing. It could be anything you are good at. Write down 1 physical feature of yourself which you like the most. It could be like your eyes. You can see the beauty of the world through your eyes. Your teeth, your hair, anything you like the most. Next is, write down 1 of your favorite movies, and why is that your favorite, or what have you learned through this movie. You need not to write down a full-fledged essay on that, just 1 or 2 lines are enough. Like, my favorite movie is The Terminal. It taught me to be consistent no matter how many times you get rejected. That's it. Last one is, write down 2 things which makes you feel happy, and the condition is it should be free of cost. You cannot write down scuba diving makes me feel happy, expensive clothes makes me feel happy. No, it should be as simple like good weather makes me feel happy, or spending time with my friends or family makes me feel happy. It should be free of cost. I will tell you the reason later. And the last 2 questions, favorite movie and things makes you happy. The answer to these 2 questions shouldn't be repeated. This should be new every day. The purpose of not repeating the answers is, whenever you will be assessing your journal after 10 or 15 days, you will realize that there are abundant of things which makes you feel happy without any cost. And also there are number of movies you have watched which taught you so many good qualities without any extra effort. If you observe, these are the things which we can write in 20 or 30 things we feel grateful for. But at that particular moment, we are not able to figure out what are these 30 things. So these are the sub-questions which gives us clarity and hint what we can write. So this is the format worked for me, and I hope this will work for you as well, especially for those who are struggling with how to start writing a journal. Do let me know in the comment section whether it worked for you or not. I'll be glad to know that. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon with another video.